In this area, you define all the usages that will be monitored by Stream. By default, you have the common applications ready to use, like air cooling, appliance, etc. You can also add a custom usage if you have a specific application in your project. Just add it, name it, describe it, and that's it. This usage will appear among the others. Of course, you can select a new icon. In zone categories, you define all the zones of the buildings you want to monitor. This means you will be able to monitor your energy based on the usages and the building zones at a time. Like before, you have most of the categories already included, as you can see. Obviously, you can add a specific one. Just click on Add, describe the zone you want to monitor, and save it. From there, you can easily add, delete, or modify the zones. Good to know, in the configuration tool, you have a catalog with all Hager products compatible with our software. Stream aims to supervise several agardio managers, so the catalog comes with all the related smart devices. For instance, looking at a H3 Plus MCCB, you can see the main features of the device. You can also get third-party devices in a custom catalog by including some devices from other manufacturers that use RTU Modbus protocol. This is automatically made through Agardio Manager.